Nginlethelana to Shaistina, of course.
Shabani still.
My best friend. I know
Best friend?
Yeah.
Multi-best friend.
Best
Usho
friend.
kanjani?
She's my childhood friend.
Okay.
She used to be my protector. Even
Okay.
now. I remember there was this girl who used to bully me a lot at school. And one day she got angry. Amlanda. So she's my
Crazy.
protector.
So,
Saze sakhula saba namatwana. So nje mina naye we like sisters.
ungitshela ukuthi wena sebakuprotecte kangaka now that you've got your own wings wena awusabhadali protection fee kahle kahle sisinoli so umuntu nje who's flying solo. Hey, what's the guy's name?
Letsuko.
Ntuthuki igama lakhe. How long has their relationship been going on for?
It's from 2020.